Yeah, we'll drive quickly, right?
Yeah.
Today it's the 9th of May 2025. We have Tornipolku forest here. Also in the suburb of Kone in Porvoo, Finland. West is 4 versus between 20 grams for 6 bars. And this has been built in 1971 by Kone, this one is 482. More than 60,000 with other pictures. One quick ride.
Yeah.
Because there are a lot of these deltas here.
Yeah.
But here it's locked up without anything.
Yeah.
I'll check that door.
Yeah.
Charms working.
Yeah.
For it.
Yeah, yeah, campers.
And it might have been even MP6 first.
Yeah.
Because this shape is like this here.
Yeah.
And I had the lamp indicator before.
That's